This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
Rubber duck hug in the tub.
Don't pick up that sock.
Somebody started chasing some geese, and when they started chasing them back, he got scared, and now he's afraid to walk.
Billy, you come into my room? What about the pee and the poop on the floor?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Miles, what are you doing? My love. Baby. Are you okay, puppies? What's wrong? Bailey, are you sad? No?
Ed.
She'll literally hold her legs like, no. Okay, nearly done.
Gentle.
That is not for sitting. It's not a jacuzzi. Come on out.
That sounds like she said no.
Let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something right now. At the end of the day, I will fuck you up.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. See? Just bite it. Gentle.
Look at this. How in the hell did you get way up there?
Hey, it's gone. What the fuck?
Not today, buddy. No toys.
So it's really cold. We're out in the pickup, and my jacket's buttoned all the way up, and she can't.
Hey, Blaze, you ready to go take your bath?
Hey, dog. He loves doing that.
Gentle. Gentle.
My dog saw me with straight hair for the first time.
Boy, it's me.
Arrow, wake up. Arrow. 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 You scaring the out of me. Wake up.
Buddy. Oh my God.
Did you eat your num-nums? No. Did you eat your food?
And then what happened?
Come on, you have to walk away.
Oh my gosh. Woohoo. Woo.
No. You are not yawning. No.
High five. Too slow.
I stole it.
High five. Too slow. Yummy.
Do you know who Jesus is?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Leo, hey! Leo!
Go to the dog park?
You know you hear me talking to you.
Right there. Oh, Dad. Isn't that nice?
Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
You say, oh, big stretch.
Miles, what are you doing?
Now who chewed my remote? Dixie? Or Sandy?
Drop it.
Boy, we had a time last night.
Hey. Hey.
Kona, it doesn't concern you. Kona, just go back to sleep. Thank you.
Video. Look at going back and forth with Al.